The following archive contains a PCAP capture of a machine that was conducting an unauthorized port scan. What was the type of scan utilized to conduct the active reconnaissance?
So we know a scan happened in this packet. We know it's a SYN packet that's being sent out on the scan. So if we look at the question, we can rule a couple out, right? XMIS needs to be a FIN push urge, a FIN scan. It would be a FIN packet. Idle, not 100% sure what that is. And UDP would be a UDP packet. So we're between stealth or SYN scan and TCP connect scan. And the only way to tell the difference between those two is to find a open port, because they both send out SYN packets originally. It's just how they answer to the response of the server that determines if it is a TCP SYN scan or a TCP connect scan. So two filters you can use to find those SYN ACK packets or the response where the server is responding with the port open. Would be this tcp.flags.syn equals 1 and tcp.flags.ack equals 1. So here, when all your open ports or your TCP open ports, the server's going to respond with a SYN ACK, right? They're acknowledging that the port is open. So this is what we want to look for. The other filter will be this, right, where we're using the numerical value of the above, the before filter to be tcp.flags equals 0x012. If you don't know where that comes from, you go down here into your TCP drop down under flags, right, the hexadecimal value 012 is equal to SYN ACK, right? Because these are the two flags that are set. So anyways, right, we're going to pick a port that's open, one that was conducted, or one where it's the server responding back to the attacker. So we want to look at these ones down here, the 10.50.35.99, because the attacker was the 192.168.65.20. So if we right click on one of these, follow TCP stream, we have all the packets that are involved with that stream, and we follow what happens. We can see the attacker sent the SYN packet, the server responded with the SYN ACK, and here the attacker responds with an ACK. So here we have that three-way handshake. So in this case, this would be a TCP connect scan. Say this were a SYN scan, you wouldn't have this packet right here. You wouldn't have the ACK packet. You would just see the SYN ACK, and then the attacker would immediately shut down that connection with a reset packet. Sometimes you'll just see reset, sometimes it'll be a reset ACK.